neighbor's pissed.
1 week from today, that's all you have left to enter for the R32 giveaway. You can win this sick R32 and 3,000 bucks cash. All you gotta do is go to the links that I've got for you in the top of the description. You get 3 times entries at 5-3 Supply, 2 times entries at Power JDM when you buy car parts. She is a ripper, and she will be one of yours in just a week. Happy shopping and good luck. So we've been waking up early the past few weeks, and I've got some thoughts about this. Whoever invented waking up early was a scam artist. I need to talk to the CEO of morning people right now. It's not fun. They always say like, early bird gets the worm. Well, you know what? The one that likes to sleep in gets a worm too. My philosophy is you can sleep in till 9 or 10, it's fine. If you work harder than the one that wakes up at 6 or 7, well, that's what matters. Anyways, for one, we're remodeling our bathroom right now. We had some plumbing issues and we had some foundation repair. And 2, we're about to have our daughter. So like, we're trying to get ourselves into like the wake up early mindset, and man, I don't know. Just in case you guys can't tell, I'm not a morning person. Not at all. Dude, that dude is whipping it on the lawnmower right now. Today's the day, boys. This is one of the last episodes you'll see with the R32. Sadly, it has taken a lot longer than we wanted to, but as you guys are watching this, like I said last video, the hood, the skirts, and the trunk are being painted. It's gonna be OE black to match this, the sparkly, nice, beautiful black. I got a Hikes Delete installed. I just installed that before I started filming, so we will not have this power steering leak. And then Ethan is coming to do a tune for us. Thanks to Link ECU, super stoked we're on their team now. Link sent us out an ECU. They are literally the reason why this car is running right now. If it wasn't for Link, we wouldn't have figured out that we had a bad wiring harness, that coil pattern was like wired incorrectly. So just a big shout out to them. We're actually running a G4 Plus, which is the older version, the older variant in this one. They sent me a G4X, but I gave it back to Kevin because we stole Kevin's Link ECU. Ethan is currently getting some stuff loaded up. It already has a base map on it. Obviously you guys have seen me did a couple drive-bys or whatever. What do you think, guys? Should we close off the recirculation right here and go or just keep it how it is? Kevin was building some mountains over there on the map.
I don't think that's his responsibility.
That's probably, is that like just like a base?
I guess so, yeah. I mean, there's definitely a couple little outliers.
Looks like California,
there,
dude. That's nice.
We'll get that smoothed up.
That angle though. That angle though. We got a quasi interior. Sorry guys, you have to look at that. All right, baby. Found out there was a little problem with the throttle cable. Now it's fixed. Shoo. Let's go. This thing rides nice. All right.
Where the f did it just go?
Oh no. Oh no. You good over there, dude?
No.
Disclaimer, if you win this car, whoever wins this car, the power steering pump works, but it's a little noisy. It's good though, it's good. We got power steering that works. Is that a boost leak? And we're just cruising, dude. This car's killer, except it needs a hood. You're country living today, dude.
Yeah. I like it out here. I don't like people much, so you know.
That's like barely getting into boost.
Okay. So, oh, hey, Supra. Look. Anthracite, too.
Wow.
Let's go, buddy. I've never seen him. Damn, I think I do want to paint mine anthracite now. That looks pretty damn good, bro. We found it, guys. It was literally not even connected right there. Hey, the fact that we still made 2 PSI is pretty impressive. It was Bluetoothing that dude. Holy crap, dude. I just realized, too, that I just got delivered some stuff for my RB25 build. Manly rides. Guys, we're bringing back the R33. You already know what's good. I'm bagging it, too. Ah, there's some turbo noises. Hot boy sounds.
You mean really bad?
we did it, Ethan. Make hot boy sounds now.
So exciting.
Listen, dude, after all this effort we've put into this damn car, I at least want to smile when I drive it. So, by the way, you guys, Jose's picking up the side skirts tomorrow and he's fixing them so it won't do that anymore. There's like a little lip on it that it just like rubs, so. That's better. We're making power now. That sounds really good. Wow, that's a lot of cows. Hey guys, come here. I think we're good. Oh, that's way better. I actually felt some power. Yeah, that's good. That feels good now. Oh, that feels good.
Maybe it is 10 pounds.
As long as she do a burnout, we're good. Exactly how my R33 felt before we, you know, did the big turbo. So, I mean, I think we're just used to really fast cars.
Yeah.
That sounds so good, bro. All right, so we're building, it's building about, you said 10 pounds, Ethan?
Just shy of 10 pounds.
So it's good. No matter what, this car will be retuned. I mean, it'll be tuned again. Right now it's on 93. The person who wins it might only have access to like 91 octane or something. You like my get up? This is pretty fancy. Makes some insane noises. And we finally got on the street. I'm so happy to finally be able, dude, like this car's been hanging over me for the past 2 months. And it's really fun to drive. I think I might try and rip a Bernie real quick. Might try and rip one for you guys. Launch control?
Duty. Yeah, let me figure this out real quick.
He found it, guys.
Activation control always on, so it's just on right now.
Okay.
Start it up and try to do it right now. I don't have the right settings in yet, but let's see what it does.
That was 2,500.
Okay.
There it is.
Higher now, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Son.
Yeah, we are.
That's my favorite. The softer limiter where it just like kind of blah, 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 burbles at the top. That's like, I think that's the best kind of launch control. Damn. That's good. That's a lot of booster building, dude. That's nice. Sure, my neighbor's happy right now.
Are they out?
Oh no, I'm sure she is very pleased right now. Sorry, neighbor. Oh, that is good, dude. We're getting there.
We're getting there.
I have my fair share of rev limiter.
Okay.
I think we're good. I guess right here's good, yep. Had to break in the new tires for you boys.
So what was that, a practice? No.
I want them to have some kind of tires, you know what I mean?
Nissan thing
She
right
just
here,
pulled up and there's like,
burnout, like
huh? She's standing.
I think we're gonna come around this corner right now.
I'm gonna park it up. Oop, our neighbor's pissed. Allegedly, our neighbor is standing at our at the fence right now. Our heat's pretty high right now, so we're gonna go to the safe house and cool down for a sec. All right, dude. Thanks as always, bro.
All right, later.
She's like staring. She's like waiting for us or something.
No, she's trimming the bush at the corner.
Oh, okay. So we're cool, but she just definitely was.
Oh, yeah.
We just did two-step for like.
I pulled in and she like stopped what she was doing. I couldn't tell because she's kind of far away.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Then she went back to cutting.
Okay,
so.
because we've been two-stepping for like 10 minutes. Yeah, oopsies. I'm sorry. I'm a bad neighbor. Let's send her some more flowers. All right, it's a new day. Our heat died down just a little bit. Which, by the way, it can do better burnouts than this, but I kind of had a feeling she was like already watching because I was doing the two steps. Side skirts are coming off. I'm gonna give Jose the hood and the trunk, and he's gonna get them quick turnaround. It'll be here early next week. Our next video, I've got a couple things. I've got my AMG and my Supra. We're actually about to take my Supra to the dyno and up the horsepower big time. Cross your fingers and wish us luck. Like I said in the beginning, the giveaway ends 1 week from today. So today's Saturday, it's over next Saturday. So Friday is the last day you can enter for the merch. Get your entries while you can. We still have some stuff in stock. We've got shift knobs, we've got super comfortable clothes. I'm not kidding, guys. We have some of the most comfortable merchandise you'll ever wear. But you have 1 week left. For my daily advice that I want to give you guys today, I want to encourage you guys to find your value, not in Instagram likes, video views. Your worth is not defined by how many likes your Instagram page is getting. This is something that I've had to tell myself and teach myself and learn for years. Your worth is not based on that. It's not even about how much money you made during the month. It's not. As long as you're basing your worth in incredibly volatile and tangible things, oh man, you're gonna have a bad time. Just know you're amazing, you're created for a purpose, and you have a reason to be exactly where you're at today. So don't get discouraged, keep trucking on. It always gets worse, and it always gets better. It's just two. You win, you lose. Good luck on the giveaway. I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Somebody please make me a new outro. I just realized I've had this for like 4 years. Somebody's gotta make me a new one. Also, just have a good day. Subscribe. That's it.